Very good morning to all my Patans. So I am back with your computer class. So in the last class we had done the book exercise of chapter 8, word inserting graphics. So today we are going to do the question answer of chapter 8. So everyone keep your notebooks ready and your stationery with you. Now we are going to start the question answers of chapter 8. So let's start. Okay, now we'll start the question answers of chapter 8. So everyone has to write date, chapter name, and below that give the heading question answers. Then write D, point D, heading differentiate between the following bulleted list and numbered list. Put a line in between. Okay. सो बुलेटेड लिस्ट और नंबर लिस्ट में क्या डिफरेंस है. बुलेटेड लिस्ट वी यूज़ व्हेन वी डू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी सीक्वेंस और एनी ऑर्डर. जब हमें पॉइंट्स अपने टेक्स्ट को हम पॉइंट्स की फॉर्म में टाइप कर रहे हैं, डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं, बट हमें कोई सीक्वेंस नहीं चाहिए उन पॉइंट्स का, वो आगे पीछे कैसे ही भी किसी भी ऑर्डर में हो सकते हैं. सो बुलेटेड लिस्ट योर अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. ओके, बुलेटेड लिस्ट को हम अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट भी बोल सकते हैं. वेयर एज नंबर्ड लिस्ट हम यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे हम टेक्स्ट को पॉइंट्स की फॉर्म में डिस्प्ले करते हैं और सीक्वेंस में एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले करते हैं. ओके, लाइक 1 2 3 ABC और इन रोमन 1 2 3 लाइक दैट. ओके, सो विल राइट द आंसर हियर. Bulleted list is used whenever we do not require or we whenever we don't want to display the points in a sequence or order. Now we'll write for numbered list. A numbered list is used whenever we want to display the points in some sequence or in some sequence or in ordered manner. So your numbered list is your ordered list, whereas your bullet list is your unordered list. Okay, so we'll mention here, यहाँ हम लिख भी सकते हैं. It is an unordered list. Same will write for numbered list. It is an ordered list. Okay, so everyone just note down in your notebook and you have to write like I have written here. Okay, One side you will write bulleted list, other side you will write numbered list, put a line in between, then write in points. Okay. Now those who are written, they will write the next part, E part, answer the following questions. Okay. Then write down the first one. Why should we insert pictures in word? हमें pictures insert क्यों करनी चाहिए word में? So we'll write the answer. Okay, we'll write the answer now. We should insert pictures in word. We should insert pictures in word because it makes the document more legible, presentable, and easy to understand. Okay. So I will highlight the answer so that it will be clear to you. So हमें पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट करनी चाहिए वर्ड में बिकॉज ये हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट को ज़्यादा लीजिबल मीन्स बिल्कुल जो साफ क्लियरली हम रीड कर सकें. ओके. ज़्यादा प्रेजेंटेबल हो जाता है मीन्स उसकी अपीयरेंस आपके डॉक्यूमेंट की काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव हो जाती है, लुक अच्छी हो जाती है एंड इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड होता है. लाइक आप भी अगर आप के चैप्टर में इन एनी ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट पिक्चर साथ में दी होती हैं तो आपके लिए अंडरस्टैंड करना समझना इजी हो जाता है. ओके. सेम इज़ हेयर. ओके. So that's why we used to insert the pictures in word. Now those who have written this answer, write down the next question. Question number 2. What do you mean by wrapping text around graphics? Wrapping text around graphic का मतलब क्या होता है? So write down the answer. Wrapping text around graphic means that we are adjusting the text around the graphics. Graphics maybe it can be any object, any shape or any picture. Okay. So we'll write the answer. Wrapping text around graphics means that adjusting the text around the objects or images accordingly. Okay, so this is your answer number 2. Wrapping text around graphic means that adjusting the text around the objects or any image accordingly. So we can choose any of the options which are available. Now those who have written this answer, just leave 2 lines and write down the next question. What is the use of word art? Word art का क्या use है? So we'll write the answer. Word art is used to display the text in a unique and decorative styles. So word art से हम अपने टेक्स्ट को एक अलग और काफ़ी डेकोरेटिव स्टाइल्स में डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Okay, so we'll write the answer. Word art is used to display the text in a unique and decorative styles. Okay, so this is the use of word art. In unique and decorative styles. So everyone just write down the answer and complete these question answers in your computer notebook and keep revising side by side. If anyone is having any doubt related to this chapter, related to the exercise, you can ask, or any doubt in the question answers, you can ask. So everyone has to complete these question answers. The rest question answers will do in the next class. Okay, and just match your answers of worksheet 2 which I have sent you. I'm sending you the solution also today. Okay, so just match your answers, and if you have any problem, any doubt, we'll discuss in the Zoom session. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you, bye.